In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Pinterest account on PC. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in pinterest.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Pinterest. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account. What you have to do is enter the email address and password over here. Or if you want to continue with Google, you can click on this option, continue with Google, and you'll be able to do it. Otherwise, click on the field of email and enter your email address over here. Now what you have to do is click on the field of password and enter the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forgot your password, and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the password, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Or instead of doing all that, you can also scan this QR code with your phone and you'll be able to log into your account. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Pinterest account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.